back working on the El Camino today. We got a lot of stuff going on. I'm in the other shop working on the Fairlane with Josh. He's out there painting some stuff. So I'm going to introduce you to my buddy Ray. Ray I've known since I moved down here to Jersey, like 15 years now probably, right? 14, 15 years. He helped me out with a bunch of cars, working on a lot of cars. In my opinion, he's probably the best body man around here. That's my opinion. He can make any panel straight as hell. The only problem is, I'm going to show you. Ray, this is Ray. Ray, say hello, Ray.
Hello.
Ray's a lazy mother... And we can only get him to work like an hour at a time because then he's got to leave. So I got to put up with all this bullshit, smoking, and got to go eat, and I got to go take a nap and shit. But when he's done with this panel, that thing will be straight as a freaking piece of mirror. So we're going to keep an eye on him. He's doing some DA work. He's been here for a little while already. So that's what's going to happen with this car. The other side is as straight as it's going to get as far as metal work goes. As you can see, that's not that bad anymore here on this side. But we're going to bondo it up. He's going to get this thing as straight as we could possibly get it and make the guy happy. And I'm sure he'll be happy because we did his other car, his Chevelle, 66 Chevelle. Same thing, like a mirror. So when we go bring this car back or whatever, we'll give you a glimpse of the other car we did for him. All right, but anyway, this is what's happening. He's going to be working on the car. All right, Ray, go to it. And we'll be back and check on him in a little bit. I'm going to go back in and work on the other car. All right, so here's where we're at with this. So he was here yesterday. Believe it or not, this sucker was here for all day, which is almost hard to believe. Me and Josh were waiting for him to say, I got to go get something to eat or something, but he ended up staying pretty much all day. So he got a lot done. So what happened is he took and basically sanded the whole quarter down with 320. All right, so he could feel all the high and the low spots. So now, if you look, you go down the side, there's no high spots. So he knocked them all down. Okay, got it to where it's about the best it's gonna get without bondoing it up. So it's looking good, and he's gonna come back today. It's actually still raining outside now, but he's gonna come back today and do some more on it. Probably start bondoing this side up. We'll get this side done. We'll do one side at a time. So, all right, but we're getting there, coming along.